Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name's Francesca. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can see, we're in a little different environment. We're in my bathroom. I'm in my PJs, and we're going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. So I have about 7 products that I use in the evening, depending on what I've done that day. So let's hop in to the video. So every night after I take my shower, I brush my teeth. Not showing you that because it's a little creepy. And after that, I wash my face. To wash my face, I use the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleansing Face Wash. I think I said in my Empties episode 2 video how I did when I was younger, just bought a bunch of Clean and Clear stuff, and now I'm just trying to get rid of it. So I use my Clarisonic Mia Smart to cleanse my face. I try not to use my hands touch my face with my hands that much, so I use this at night, and then in the morning I have a different way of cleaning my face. So all I do is I wet my little brush and I wet my face like so, and then I squeeze my product into my Clarisonic Mia. So if you notice, so with Clarisonic Smart Mia, it did go out of Clarisonic did go out of business, so I can try to find something similar to the Clarisonic, but I have it on like a daily routine. So all I do is just press the button, and then it automatically goes to like calculate how long it should be on my face each time. So I'm gonna do like a little speed up of this. So after I wash my face, usually I have a towel in here, but I forgot to put a new one in. So I'm trying not to waste paper towels. So after I wash my face, I use a toner, and the toner I use is the Thayers Witch Hazel, and it's the rose petal scent. All I do is just spray it all over my face. And I like the rose petal scent because it's not as strong as like the other scents. I really like it, and it's alcohol free as well. So I highly recommend it. You can pick this up at your local Target or CVS. Highly recommend. Usually at around this time, I like just wait for my face to dry. And I notice I still have a little soap on my face. I'll be right back. I'm back for not being a little cochina and making sure my thing is already done. So with my face kind of it's still a little damp, but it's fine. We'll go on to the next product, which is my serum. And I use the Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. So it looks like this. It is expensive, but it's worth it. So all I do is I use a pump of this. Okay, I still have some left. I thought I ran out. And I just rub it all over my face. And I like this because it has 12% AHA and BHA blend, and it has a raspberry extract. I don't really smell the raspberry extract, but I really do like this. And I also have the day serum, which I will be shooting another skincare routine before my daytime. So keep your eyes out on my channel for that. So after I let this sit, I put on chapstick. I'm not really particular on chapstick, just whatever chapstick I could find. I put on my lips. Because let me tell you, now that we're in spooky season, we don't want to have dry lips. I mean, not that I'm going to be kissing on anybody, but you know, you don't want some dry trapped lips. Next, I put on an under eye cream, and I use the Olehenriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. So it looks like this, and all I do is I take on my ring finger just a little bit like so. I put it underneath my eye like this. I make sure to rub it in. And what I like about this is since it has banana in it. I don't like bananas, but this I like because it doesn't smell like bananas. You know how bananas have like a weird smell to me, and it's just not something I'm interested in. But anyway, it has like this brightening because it has banana in it. It has like a brightening effect to your under eyes, and even though I don't have that bad of bags under my eyes, I still want to make sure that I'm preventing it from happening. So yeah, that's my eye cream, and I normally put this on twice a day. So in my daytime routine, you'll definitely see this. Next, I use the La Roche-Posay Dual Action Acne Fighting Treatment. I'm not going to say the real name because it's like in French. So it looks like this. Now, sometimes I do use this, sometimes I don't. It just depends on if I have a breakout. And then on my forehead, you'll kind of see I have a slight breakout. So what I normally do, well, not slight, I have one. So I want the sucker to go away. So I'll just put a little bit on the bump and on my chin as well, because I have one that won't go away. No. And then I will just lightly tap it in. It says, let me close this up properly. The directions on the box says to just tap it in and only use slight products. So I only put it on where I see like acne bumps that are showing up, you know? I think I got it all. So the directions say you can use it up to 3 times a day, but because it has a drying out effect, it does say just start off with 1 and then work your way up. I didn't do that, and I didn't have any bad reaction to it. So, oh, I forgot to mention what kind of skin I have. I have normal combination skin, so sometimes it just depends on the season. Sometimes I'm more dry, sometimes I'm more oily. It just really depends. Next, we have my moisturizer. I have 2 that I use. So if I'm just working from home and I'm staying at home, I use the 4th Ray Beauty Rose Milk at night. It's just like a light moisturizer, and I just use 2 drops of this and just put on my face. But if I've been out and about, I use the Olay Regenerist Luminous Overnight Mask. And I've had this for a while, and I'm almost out, as you can see. So I just take a little bit on the back of my finger, rub it into my hand, and put it all over my face. And what I like about this is in the morning, I don't feel greasy like most overnight masks. So I really like this one. I don't know if I'll repurchase it per se, but we'll see. You might see it on one of my empties. Again, we'll see how soon I finish it. Usually when I do my nighttime routine, I'm like taking my time, letting all the products sit. I'm doing different things like changing into my pajamas, like picking out what I'm wearing the next day. But for the video, I didn't want it to be like 100 years long. So I'm just quickly speeding up through it. And the last thing I do is I put on an overall mist. This one is the Trader Joe's Rose Water Facial Toner. I'll make sure to link everything down below, or at least put the prices. I've had this for a while and I really like it. As you can see, I'm almost out. So you'll definitely be seeing this in an empties. And all I do is just spray it all over my face. No! And yeah, so it traps in all the moisture that I use. So yeah, that was my nighttime routine. If you guys like the video, you know the drill. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. What are you doing if you don't hit the notification bell? Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.